Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be drifting in the snow, so let's get to it. Dang, hecka slick. Wow, that's crazy. So I don't know, wait. So I'm gonna hit the back brake and lock it up when I drift. Oh shoot, wait, that's actually kind of fun. Wait, I need to drift that corner. Literally -4 out here. Okay. Oh shoot, that was actually so sick. Right here to right, yeah, I literally started, hit it really hard, just don't hesitate, or like, nothing will happen. Whoa, boy, that's actually kind of fun. It's actually fun drifting on e-bikes. Oh shoot, I literally hit it from there to there. That's... Whoa! Whoa! Yo, I was literally... Look at that. Look at that. Okay. That was so clean. That was such a clean drift. Also, if you guys don't know already, I'm going to be modding a Razor MX350 at 500 subs. So subscribe. Right now, while I'm filming this, we're at 130 subscribers. It wasn't bad. This trail isn't fully done yet. We still have to do a lot more to it. Wow, there's so much sticks. But yeah. Oh yeah, it's just like ice over here. Ooh, that was pretty clean. No, for some reason, like over here is just more slick. Probably because I packed it down. Oh wow, the sun came out. It's pretty nice. Yeah, because like look how many drift marks there is. It's crazy. I feel like I drift way better coming from here, and then yeah. Whoa, it's so fun drifting. It's like actually fun. The heck? Dang. You just shut off. Probably because this key, oh yeah, disconnected. Dang. That sucks. Now we're gonna have to buy a new throttle ASAP. Thing sucks. Well, good thing it wasn't at the start of the video. Well, alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe, comment what you liked about this video, and peace out.